Hi everyone, welcome back to OS Stitches. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make this trendy triangle cowl neck top. It's super simple, stylish and perfect for beginners. You need a soft drapey fabric like lightweight crepe, satin and chiffon. So let's get right into it. I've gone ahead to place my fabric on fold like this. You can see the way it's looking in a triangular form or shape. So I will first of all mark the width of the top. I'll be using 18 inches. As you can see, this is 18 inches and I'll be using the length of 29 inches. That's just all you need. You can either use any length and width of your choice. Like for me, I'm using 18 and 29. And when you want to sew, you sew from all of this edge here. You insert the stripe here all the way down. You sew round this way, you insert the stripe in here, you sew, then you insert another stripe here. Then but you want to tuck it out, you leave a little opening of probably about 2 inches here and you tuck everything out. And also, this is the stripe that I've gone to cut out. It's a length of 28 inches. There are 4 in number, 2 for the neck and 2 for the side of the top, and it's a width of 3.5 inches. So it is that simple and easy to cut. Look at it, and you can see that it's a drapey fabric. So I will go over to the sewing machine now and sew all of this, and when I'm done I will bring it back to show you how I inserted the stripe. So I have gone ahead to sew all of these parts looking like this, and see where how I attach the stripe. So the stripe, another one here, another stripe. So and I left an opening here of about 2 inches. So this is where I will now tuck out the top this way. So this is it. So right here now, I can decide to use any gum to place it down to seal it up, or I will stitch it down, whichever way you prefer. So this is what the top will look like. So our crop top, our cowl neck crop top is ready. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.